no, no.
And had to just take a check at the new system, and which is normal, which is probably got this rid of this partition. All right, the upgrade is now in progress.
It's gonna take a while.
It'll take a little steps to go, and shouldn't never take too long for this small drive.
It's gonna take a while, Drew.
I know, Andrea. I know. Oh, welcome.
Oh. Thanks for welcoming me.
All right, now I'm gonna unlock the experience. So, hold on.
Sign in.
Where should we sign it?
I don't want to sign in.
You need to type A.
Don't say it.
Hold on. Let me go ahead and turn around. There we got this instruction manual. Interesting. Better looking at like getting new. Jeez. This thing. Copyright 2020 to 2024 by Dell Incorporated. Dell.com/support/KM5221W. Yeah. I'll just do that. www.dell.com/regulatory compliance and dell.com/support/KF5221W/downloads. And good, huh? Oh, except for the code. So I'm just setting your device around, and so if it's anything right here, what device should we do? Can you typing or else? Think about doing it personalized operas? No, no. And
I guess.
Sure. Why not?
Okay.
Okay. Hit continue. And restoring from backup.
We have nothing to restore.
Oh my freaking god. Andrea, I can't believe you got your backup.
What the heck is that? I'm confused.
So this is basically doing impossible, but I'll just pause the video for now, and I'll be see it as soon as possible. Getting things ready for you. Okay, we're at the desktop now. So I can see here, you got... Oh my god, you got an extension here. I have this big that to do right here, which is the current time and date. I'm going to hit done. And
That's weird.
That would surprise me.
We'll do it later. I don't want this right now. We don't want this.
And as if you have to do right here. And hit finish. And anyway, all you have to do is come back once everything's installed. That's silly me. All this have to do right here. So I got this search bar and the official start menu.
Firefox, we need Firefox on here.
Just basically have to do right now. First of all, you need to go to midnight.
No, we don't.
Okay, we're in the midnight right now. And show details. Everything has installed. There's the installation on here. And now all you have to do, I guess I have to do is come back once everything's installed. Well, I guess I'll do that. You know, just go to install some all the applications I'm going to use it. Just gonna show you all then. Okay, so we got Windows 11 finally installed now. I gotta see, I have to move here. Move here. I got, yeah. Installations on here, and you notice this, I got this thing working on, except for Ethernet modem for this day. Some worries that I have to do later on. So that's enough for this video, and this is Julie Melly's sign off on Monday, October 13, 2025. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this all, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Blogger. The addresses are located at the bottom. Until next time, this is Julie Melly, sign off.